How will you protect the Arizona taxpayer?
Well, I served 4 years in the Arizona State Senate and was named #1 friend of the taxpayer out of all of the elected officials. It seems Arizona is finally on the road to economic recovery. We need to continue to elect representatives that will recognize the importance of responsible government and to continue promotion of growth and strengthen our economy. We must not fall back into the big spending habits of the past several years. We now have a $450 million surplus or a rainy day fund, but this would easily be wiped out if we don't have legislators committed to debt repayment and budget and balanced budget. As your representative, I would ensure that during the next legislative session, we stay focused only on sound fiscal policy and continued government efficiency. We need to further lower the tax burden on our senior citizens and our families, and to continue to encourage growth and development in the private sector. Economies thrive in a free market, one where more taxes remain in the pockets of our taxpayers so that they can increase their wealth, pay more taxes, and our economy grows.